Introducing the Multimate MK-V. So there is a tab, a metal tab that comes with the machine, which I've not got here today. So I load it up. So this is horse manure with water. And before I press, there's actually an extension handle here that comes with it. I'm putting very little pressure on it. I'm doing it quite slow. So the advantages of this machine is you're getting twice the size of brick compared to the old one. So this is one of the original bricks. So that's fully dried. And twice as quick now. Twice the volume, twice as quick. As I get to this point, I usually give it a bit of pumps. And this is just screwed on to the wall. Most of the pressure is coming from these screws here, the top ones. Once you get to that point, put this block of wood in that comes with the machine. And you bring it down like that, and then you pull out this pin. Put the block away. That's your brick. So, depending on how much you put in, that's about twice the size for this one. Close up this.